Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share a super yummy twist to a traditional modak recipe, which is chocolate modak made with just 4 ingredients. These chocolate modak are super delicious treat for kids and grown up as well. This recipe takes less than 30 minutes to make and is simple to make during festive season. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make chocolate modak. If you want, you can make this chocolate modak with fillings or enjoy it as it is. Today I'm gonna share 2 different fillings. The first one is coconut rose filling. Check on the ingredients to make coconut rose filling. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. To a bowl, add desiccated coconut, dry rose petal, rose essence, and condensed milk. Give it a mix. Our coconut rose filling is ready. Keep it aside. The second one is chocolate almond filling. Check on the ingredients to make the chocolate almond filling. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. I'm melting the chocolate in a double boiler method. You can do it in stove top or in an instant pot. If you are using an instant pot, turn on the saute mode. Keep a glass bowl. Add in the chocolate of your choice. I'm using dark chocolate. Add heavy whipping cream. Let it melt. If it is liquidy, don't panic. It gets thickened when it's cooled down. Then add the chopped roasted almonds. Here, you can use any nuts of your choice. Roasted nuts gives a nice nutty flavor. Our chocolate almond filling is ready. Keep it aside. Now, let's make a chocolate modak. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. You can use a pan or an instant pot to make this. If you are using an instant pot, turn on the saute mode, add sugar. You can use brown sugar as well. Add water. Let the sugar melt and boil. Don't overdo the sugar syrup as it may result likely burfy. This is the perfect consistency. Add milk powder or shredded koya. Give it a mix and add unsweetened cocoa powder. Mix it well. Add in ghee and give it a mix. Turn off the pot and transfer the chocolate mix to the greased plate. Let it cool down a bit. Grease the modak mold or use your hands to make a modak shape. To make a plain chocolate modak, stuff the modak mold with the chocolate mix. You can also add a prepared filling to it. This chocolate modak tastes so yum and gives a nice twist to your regular modak. Do try this chocolate modak recipe for this Ganesh Chaturthi and enjoy it with your loved ones. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.